Hi, can you see me okay? Hi, everyone. Today we want to look at NVIT. Many people ask what we do at NVIT. We provide innovative IT solution. We do consulting and training. We are at the forefront of technological innovation. We pride ourselves to be innovators, builders, and transforming technology for everyone. We transform technology for all, actually. So we innovate, we build, we transform technology for all. NVIT actually started in 2022 with a plan to help build the youth, young adults on technological innovations. But now, of course, we're fully grown and then headquartered in Frisco, Texas. NVIT is actually dedicated in transforming visionary ideas into cutting edge software application that drive success and create unparalleled value. And we are committed at NVIT to empower individual businesses and community by offering advanced and emerging technology innovative ideas. Our mission is very clear. We envisage a world where technology fuel economic growth, innovations flourishes, and community thrives. We are committed to democratizing access to technology, especially around technology education, empowering individuals and businesses globally to participate in the technology revolutions. At NVIT, we bridge the technical gap both in Africa, in America, and around the world. And like I said, we are committed to innovation, diversity, and social impact that reflects our motto, that is to innovate, build, transform technology for all with, of course, global presence. At the moment, we have a lot of engineers scattered around the world, mostly in the US, and then in Canada we have engineers. We also have a lot in back in Africa, and then we are the forefront of emerging technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then cloud and DevOps engineering. We believe that we can provide basic ideas to help businesses. Our services are very simple. One of our core services is custom software development. You have problem, you want to innovate. When you come to us, we listen to you. At NVIT, we are veterans in the industry who have worked in various big tech company such as Microsoft, IBM, Ericsson, and Capgemini, and the rest. And so we have built different products. We have participated in using different type of architecture, especially from architectural perspective, such as microservices, heterogeneous architecture, where you embed different type of architecture to build different products. So in NVIT, we can develop tailored digital solutions to meet your need, especially using various type of emerging technology like the artificial intelligence. In fact, we believe very well that with the help of artificial intelligence, many things will begin to change where we build AI assistance tool or AI agent or that can help to automate processes, especially repetitive processes, can be programmed using what we call the large language model to be able to transform your businesses. We have full stack developers cut across Python, mean stars, and even system programming like C++ and Java, especially Java Spring Boot. And we use those things in an agile development methodology to utilize various ways to help. Our technology expertise are enormous. Of course, we focus so much around emerging tech, and that is why one of our key services that we provide is the AI and machine learning, and that help businesses to leverage on advanced or emerging technology to provide insight and automate their processes for quick and precise decision making. We offer, of course, a comprehensive AI and ML solution from consulting to model development. We can actually build custom models, be it on multilingual or built on multi type of models from various either using an existing model, privileging some model like the ChatGPT, or from Llama from Facebook, or anything you can think of, the Anthropy, we can build solution on them. And of course, we can actually train a custom model by our wonderful engineer, data scientists, and AI and ML engineer. So we do offer AI and ML consulting. We provide guidance on privileges on the AI technology to provide insight, like I earlier mentioned. And then around model development and training, we can offer a lot of custom development, be it on the Gen AI, generative AI, or even these days that a lot of what do you call it? A lot of providers are now coming up with AGI. You just heard about DeepSeek from China model that is performing very well. In fact, for a couple of days, I've really been checking, and I can tell you such models are, of course, performing very well, even using lower resources and affordable. So, and of course, we are going to be seeing different changes and a lot of things happening, especially with AI technology. So we can build a large language model tailored to your specific need. We can, if you are a doctor, if you are a lecturer, a professor in the university, or if you are an expert, we can actually build specific tool to help you, to support you in carrying out tasks on your behalf. And we are looking at it here in NVIT that, especially this year and prior, and as we proceed to March of next year, we'll see tasks become so transformed. And this is going to cut across different stratas in various industry, in the health technology industry, in the education industry, in the agri industry, in manufacturing, especially predictive maintenance, such type of thing is going to really begin to kill. So those are services that we provide. We can build or integrate AI capability to your application and integrate them into application to enhance user experience. And we also implement or automate implement and manage machine learning operations for you as well. Beyond that also, we provide cloud solutions. Our cloud solutions enable businesses to optimize their IT infrastructure. In fact, in a couple of days, we will be releasing a product to help to optimize cloud, multi-cloud, be it on AWS, on Azure, or GCP, IBM Cloud, or OCI, that is the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. We will be supporting those type of things. So we provide solutions around migration, maybe moving from your on-prem to the cloud, or you are building on different tools. We can manage your cloud. We provide a lot of that type of services. So at NVIT, we offer end-to-end cloud services, including migration, management, and ensuring a clear-cut cost efficiency, so that workload in the cloud are performing very well, not beyond performance. They are also at a reduced cost, because the truth is that you will keep on bringing data into the cloud area, and that is very, very expensive. And for you to be innovative, to produce more of this workload in the cloud, the price need to be managed by experts in this industry. So in NVIT, we use our expertise using what we call the different reference architecture, using the best practice in terms of tech stack deployment, using the various tech stack that you can use to deploy product to either AWS or to GCP or to Microsoft Azure or to other cloud. We produce type of specific type of guide for you to do this using many years of architectural design, both on the software level and different type of level. Beyond that, we do provide services specifically for DevOps operations, where we streamline the software development and deployment lifecycle to enable a faster release. And so we implement best practice using different tools like Terraform, Jenkins, Ansible, and all those type of things. We use this tool to really begin to help our clients to streamline their development, especially around continuous integrations and continuous development. Of course, we do use infrastructure as code to manage and provision infrastructure resources. And we can look at the various components, the product, the services in the different cloud, be it at the compute area or the AI cognitive services, or be it at the API level, be it at the networking level, or the managed services area. We make sure that you are using the right thing. You are not over provisioning. Just like somebody trying to rent a house, if you are one person or just few people, you don't need to rent a very big flat. So what we make sure to do is that in NVIT, we work with our client to make sure that they are doing the right thing in an affordable way. We, of course, provide a general IT consulting and outsourcing services. We have expertise around the various experts sitting here in Africa and beyond. Here in the US and even in Canada and Europe and in Asia, we have engineers across. So wherever you are listening to me, we are inviting you to do partner with us. We have experts around full development. We can digitalize a business where they can perform very well. We do have engineers, UI, UX engineers, who can build a very wonderful interface for you. We have clouds and DevOps experts that can deploy your platform. We have full stack engineers that can do wonderfully. And of course, we have experienced developers and solution architects, architectures that can a kind of solution your system. So you can, of course, at a fixed price, use our product, work with us directly, or our team can become member of your team as well. Especially here in the US, in Texas, of course, where I see it, we also have, we refuse computers, we refuse especially the smartphones, because smartphones are your companions, be it on Samsung, be it on iPad, Apple, iPhones, and all those type of things. We can easily fix them for you here. But for now, that is actually just here in our office in Frisco, Texas. Beyond that, also, we have what we call the NVIT micro data centers, which is dedicated for our in-house clients who are building sensitive, large language model to be able to do a lot of things. And in a very short while, we will be opening it, especially for storage purposes. And we use the OpenStack Ubuntu, where we deploy a lot of chef storage that you can privilege on, especially for some sensitive data that you want to use a private cloud. This is just a micro data center actually, and as we expand, we will be talking more about this actually. And then beyond that also beyond that also we provide professional training services. Very soon here in Frisco, Texas, we are at this moment working closely with the Texas Workforce Commission, our headquarters, to make sure that everything is fine. Then we begin to do our training here from the US. But at the moment, we do most of the training back in Africa. We provide training around focus area, especially in emerging technology, AI and ML, deep learning, generative AI, cloud and DevOps, UI, UX, full stack development. In fact, our full stack development, we are focusing on the core area that we feel that, and we after many studies and based on many research, we feel that, of course, somebody going in depth into Python to be able to build libraries for large language model customers or vendors will be very key. And then, of course, we do Java too, especially around Java Spring. We do a lot on C++, which is core around system programming, which I think is not going away very soon. And then Rush programming. Beyond that, we do training around data science and data engineering. Our learning training focus on providing and breeding or giving birth to leaders of technologies of tomorrow. Our model currently is in person, especially in Africa, where we do that now. In person, we have campus in Benue State, Otukpo, Benue State. Nigeria, we have also campus in Lagos, where you can do in person from. We also have virtual instructor-led training. This is where you join our learning module, our learning management system, virtual conference, and our instructors are real-time. These are gurus in the industry that understand the industry to teach you one-on-one. We also have in-person a virtual exclusive one-on-one too, mentorship. So if one person to one person. Of course, depending on the modules that you're training on, we do have the various training. If you go to nvit.tech, you will see the various type of course and how much they are charged. You can just apply. We're taking application especially for remote right now, and then for in-person for people in Africa. NVIT, of course, presently, we do have around 15 courses, and these courses are curated. They're based on many years of research, based on where technology is going in terms of the technology growth trajectory and need-based that will be on the mind, that is happening based on the growth in the industry around high demand, around emerging technology, to empower people to have a rewarding technology career. And so our immersive curriculum emphasize hands-on. We don't believe that you just read or watch a video. No, you need to learn from the expert, and you become expert yourself, and so that you become profitable. Those are some of our courses that you can actually see there. We have 28 weeks program. We have 24 weeks program. We have 16-week program. We have 12-week and 8-week. Of course, the program, they are all applied. That means they are practical, very, very practical. It's not another certificate, another school certificate. We believe in practical. They are scenario-based, where you work on different type of project, real-time project, and learn from those things. So, for instance, our applied data science and engineering is very, very, very hands-on, where you train, you learn different tools such as a lot of tools using Microsoft Fabrics or Microsoft Data Factory, and being able to really do an ETL to be part of a system that, okay, you can call yourself a data scientist and you engineer many data during your training to really focus in the industry. Beyond that, we also have the applied machine learning and the deep learning. This is also core type of program. We have applied ML for businesses, solutions, and application. We have applied AI and ML on cloud platforms. So we focus on being able to build, learn how to build or deploy AI products on AWS, on Azure, GCP. These three popular cloud providers, we make sure that our team are able to use that very well. We also have applied cloud and DevOps engineering, where you learn all the best practice for using DevOps tools and the cloud infrastructure as a DevOps engineer. And beyond that, we do have the applied multi-cloud, where we give you guide and advice, and of course train you to have a full advanced practical experience in the core three type of cloud providers that are used majorly around the world, especially AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, which is a GCP. And so we train you to have advanced knowledge. We believe that people will continue to build. There will be innovation going on from time to time, and therefore there is a need to understand where they will be deployed. And we don't see this going down very soon. It will continue to enhance. We also have focused program for applied machine learning operations and large language operations management lifecycle. Of course, when you deploy your large language or wherever you deploy them, even on H100 or whatever you have deployed it on, we believe and we know that there need to be an automation, just like DevOps, that key. We also have a 24-week program for applied full stack developer, where you, of course, if you like, you told a part of becoming an advanced full stack developer using Python and learning or everything for you to even build your own libraries, which is very important. And then, of course, we have Java, we have C++, and Rush programming. For us, this is where we focus our full stack development on. Beyond that, we have wonderful program on apply UI UX design, for where you learn the critical thinking, design thinking, a different type of tool, especially Figma and the rest, to build and to design good interface, interactive, human-centric, and AI-centric type of design that helps your user to interact with those type of the product that you're building. Then we have focus course also around the NLP, which is the natural language processing. In a natural language processing, we of course teach you to learn how the machine can understand human language and interpret them very well. So this is a very core, and this is very interesting, that you will need to know a lot of things to build multilingual models and different type of things. We also have course focus, just 16 weeks, focus on generative AI and its applications. We, of course, a lot of use cases are out there now, specifically around Gen AI. But again, there are a lot also that, especially in some various industry, we don't see that. But Gen AI is core, that if you understand everything, there are many things you can build. You can even build an AI to support yourself, carry out your job. We don't believe in this industry that AI will be taking our job. We believe AI will be helping us to do more jobs. So the same thing, AI is actually not taking your job. The AI will help you to perform more. The AI will help you to do your job better, quickly, and in case where you need, maybe for instance, you need let's say 100 nurses, for instance. You may need not need 100 nurses at the same time anymore. You have assistants, AI agents that are really supporting some routine-based type of role that they can perform for you. So the knowledge is key. And then here, especially here also, we have a computer, smartphone, and smart device repairs technicians. We have applied prompt engineering for large language model. What we have seen in the industry, and I sorry, and I say this with every focus, right? We've seen that people don't know how to prompt, even on ChatGPT, for instance. There are prompt engineering, either at the development level or even at the end user level. Because the machine is being programmed to respond based on input, what you really want. So if you are not prompting very well, it's an issue. So learning how to do prompt engineering, either at the code level or at the interactive level by the end user, is very, very key. We also have program for kids, especially during the summer in your various country. These are remote or in person in various campus where we already started the operations. Some people will tell you coding for kids is not necessary anymore. But what we have noticed is that when kids that knows how to code, they are very smart, especially but the code should not just even focus on building website, building cartoon. No, it focus in our case, we are focusing on logical thinking, creative thinking, making kids to learn very, very well, to become self-independent, to become self-contributors, to be able to think and to reason. And so apply coding, which you of course calling your kid wherever, if you are in Nigeria, wherever you are, of course you can go to our website to also apply for that as well. Then there is one program I think I will need to really talk to you about. We call it Build Now, Pay Later. It's a program here in NVIT. We feel that many people, and we have seen in the industry, that either small company startup funders or entrepreneurs have wonderful ideas, but the getting funded has become a very deep issue. And so we here in NVIT, and we are the only one doing this program. We have a Build Now, Pay Later program, which is to provide financial flexibility to our clients. And it's simple. We understand that businesses need to manage their cash flow effectively while investing in critical technological infrastructures. And so that is why we are offering what we call Build Now, Pay Later, designed for an immediate access to advanced services without the burden of upfront costs. So say, for instance, you come to us here in NVIT. Of course, if you go to our website, www.nvit.tech, you will see on the top there at the middle, you will see Build Now, Pay Later. You can click it, fill all the form. And once we review your project, and we know that this is something that can be commercializable, we work with you without paying us a dime to make sure that you build an MVP. And then, of course, we make you to pay over time, instrumentally, or we can even discuss around equity. Okay, that type of build, that is what we are doing. So our Build Now, Pay Later program allow business to begin their project immediately and pay in a manageable installment over time. And so this approach ensures that you benefit our cutting-edge solution, whether from AI, from different type of thing, or even from Internet of thing, or depending on what you want to be. But what we work with you to make sure that you have an MVP or get something done while the approval for your project budget is still ongoing. So you don't need to wait for budget approval. Talk to us. We're able to work with you to get something going immediately. The benefit is enormous, actually. You can start your project right away. You can start immediately without waiting for budget approval. And of course, it's a flexible payment. You pay over time, okay? We discuss with you how you want to pay, and then you pay over time. And we work with real people who are transparent about this. There's no hidden cost. In fact, based on what we are doing with our cloud providers like Microsoft Azure, Google, or the AWS and the rest, we can also support you maybe for a few periods to even run it on our own cloud account, so that you can just pay back later. So it's a wonderful tool that a startup, business owners, small business, even big business can really kill it in it. So are you thinking of building a product? You can reach out to our team, and they will be able to help you. We have a very wonderful vetting process. We have a way of checking what you are building. Has to be, it's not just because you are thinking you want to build something nice. We need to know that, yes, this is going to be a wow. This is going to be a wonderful product that you can monetize, that is going to really generate a revenue, because we don't want to waste our time. Of course, people are already reaching out, talking, or even working with some people already. And so this is a program. If you are an entrepreneur there, if you want to build an AI agent, which is common now, AI assistants, or even train a large language model, we can quickly, of course, not building everything completely, right? But we can quickly build a product that you can see, test run, or begin to use in real time what you want to do. So we are here to really guide you. So our build now, pay later can really help your business, can really help you to go to the market. So go to market become very key. So we are calling on businesses around the world. You need to ping us. I think we are the only one doing this right now. It's one of our main idea. We are the only one doing it right now. You need to quickly ping us, info@nvit.tech, info@nvit.tech, again, info@nvit.tech. Send us the email, we can help you. Or go to nvit.tech, www.nvit.tech, and then on the top there you will see the build now, pay later. There is a form to fill, question to answer. You send us your pitch deck as well. We look at it, and we contact you to begin to work with you. We have wonderful partners. We are very proud that we are working with industry. I call them grandfathers, okay? People that are the big tech company. We are Microsoft partner. We are Google Cloud partner advantage. We are AWS partner network. We also work, especially in Africa right now, we work with Person View. If you go to our campus in Africa, you'll be able to take an international exam, authorized test center for PSI, and all that type of thing. So we have access to cutting edge technologies. We don't brag about that. It's not something that we are playing, right? We have access to good technology. We're already working with some clients that are already launching great and wonderful tool. We can enhance your services by integrating them into our partners' technology. And so if you need Microsoft product, if you need Microsoft services, or you need to deploy something on Microsoft Azure or GCP or AWS, we are here to really begin to support you. We can join, we can work with you to innovate in a collaborative effort, using our technology experts over the year to be able to provide solutions. So we are looking for partners. If you are there outside there, you want to partner with us, do shout us to us, and then we will take it from there. NVIT has a significant strive in the tech industry. In fact, just within 2 years, we have trained over 2,000 African youth already, even in remote community back in Africa. And then we work with various people actually. Of course, we are very happy that we have some major tribe as well. We have 22 plus global partners. We have trained a lot of people who are building serious innovative products that you will see very soon. Our team, that is myself there, that is my wife who is also supporting. We have other two that are not here. This is just in terms of operation, many other team that are not here. We have Brittany, we have different people that are working with us. So we are actually calling on you to come and then see how we can work together. That is our address here. We sit at the Pressing Road in Frisco, 6475 Pressing Road in Frisco, the heart of Frisco. So if you are passing by, you can actually come to us at any time. We even have conference room. If you have a meeting that you can just book and then use the conference room, or even use some sitting area too. So it's a wonderful thing. So partner with NVIT to experience peace of mind, knowing that your IT infrastructure, digital product, and services are in the hands of experts. We are proud about that. We are dedicated to empowering your organization with robust, scalable, and cost-efficient solution. Contact us today to discuss your technology need. We are here to really help you. Once again, we really appreciate you. If you have questions, quickly, you can email us, you can email our team. We are very active online as well. By the way, you can chat with us send us inbox on the various social media handles.